you all. How are your study going? Are you revising your lessons side by side? Good job. So let's start English lesson with this beautiful day. So who is going to tell me what is the date today? 19th of August. उर्दू में क्या कहेंगे इसको? 19 अगस्त. And what is the day today? Tuesday. And how is the weather outside? It's sunny. Good job. In class, we have done 6 chapters. Alhamdulillah. So today we will learn a new vocabulary, a new words, new chapter, and the chapter name is a birthday chart. What does it mean? क्या मतलब होता है बर्थडे चार्ट का? Who is going to tell me? And what is chart? Exactly. This is a chart. A birthday chart is often displayed in classroom or even at homes to show the months of the year and the birthday of each student or the family. We can say it is the tool for learning, bonding and celebrated individually. तो ये एक चार्ट होता है जिसमें मंथ वाइज अपने नाम लिखे होते हैं कि कौन सा महीना किसके लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है. फॉर इंस्टेंस किस मंथ में किसकी बर्थडे आ रही है. हियर यू गो. कैन यू टेल मी इन विच मंथ इज़ योर बर्थडे? Asking in which month is my birthday? My birthday is on April. So here I'm going to write my name. You're supposed to write your birthday month, write the names in the column. For instance, if you have birthday in October, you have to write the name here. If you have the birthday in June, you have to write in this, or in February. In this chapter on page number 52, the interesting thing is this poem. Who will sing this poem? The months of the year, 30 days has September, April, June and November. Like this has 30 days. All the rest have 31. All the rest means except these. All the rest have 31 means बाकी जो बचे हैं the remaining months, as if January, February, March. Okay, June is written here. April is written here. July, August, September is written here. So the remaining except of these, इन 3 के अलावा 4 के अलावा all the other days have कितने days? 31 days other than these, except for the February. So except for February alone, February के अलावा इनके these have 30 days and the rest of the other months have 31 days, and it has 28 days clear. February, how many days? The February has 21 days, but once in a year, that is called a leap year, it will have a 29. The whole year you will see 28 days in February, but in one month, that is called a leap year, where you will see 29 days in February. So let's sing again. The months of the year, 30 days has September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except for February alone. Class 2, page number 53. Open up your books, page number 53. What is this? Right, pronoun. Do you know what are the pronouns? Good job. The pronouns are those nouns that we will use instead of nouns so that we can avoid the repeating of sentence. I had given you an example. Have you remember? Ali की example दी थी मैंने. यानी in pronoun we will remove the names and we will write the pronoun here. Who is going to solve this? Okay. Replace the word in bold with him, her or it. They are saying कि जो bold में है, the words they are written in bold यानी dark writing में या black में, we will replace them and write him, her, it instead of these name. So the first one is I made a card for Nida. मैंने एक कार्ड बनाया निदा के लिए. इधर क्या आएगा? What we will write here? I made a card for her. We gave Javed a present. Javed, him, her or it. For a boy we will use a him. So write him. He loved the book. Book is non-living things, so we will use it for the non-living thing. This CD is for Fahad. Fahad is a boy or a girl. So what will we use? Good job, him. I hugged mommy. I hugged mommy. Mummy is a boy or a girl, male or female? Female, so we will write her. I ate the cake. Cake is non-living thing, so we will write it here. Good job. You have to write classwork on the top of the page and the date also. Have you done, everyone? Great. The question number 2 is replace the words in bold with us or them. अब हमने क्या लगाना है? ये जो bold में लिखा हुआ है इसको काट के we will use us or them. Dania played with me and Javed. What should I write here? Me and Javed. दानिया खेल रही है मेरे साथ और जावेद के साथ. यहाँ क्या आएगा? Good job, us. Daddy took me and Sarah to the zoo. Daddy हमें लेके गए मुझे और सारा को zoo की तरफ. So what should I write here? Us. Very good. I will see Ehsan and Daniel in September. I will see Ehsan and Daniel in September. Them. I will see them. I sang happy birthday to Daniel and Saad. Exactly, them. Auntie Azra made mommy and me lunch. Auntie Azra ने मेरे और मेरे मम्मी के लिए क्या बनाया? Lunch. So here you go. क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? What should I write here? Us. अगर हमारी बात हो रही होगी मतलब खुद की, if you are talking about ourselves, you are supposed to write us. If you are talking to the other person, किसी दूसरे की बात हो रही होगी, you have to write them. Okay? He invited his friends. अब दूसरों की बात हो रही है. He invited them. Have you done? Have you done with me? Good job. Go to class, page number 54, question number 3. Replace the noun in bold with one of the pronoun in the brackets. So they have given one example here. So the first one is I played Ludo with Ehsan. Ehsan is a boy. So what is correct? Him or her? Him. That is why they have write him. The next is I played cricket with Ehsan. What should I write? What is the pronoun of Ehsan? Him. Exactly. You have to write I played cricket with him. The other children watched me and Ehsan. हमारी बात हो रही है तो us. He gave Saad his new marble. Him and her. Saad is a boy. Exactly him. Parveen skipped with Dania. She's a girl, so exactly. Good job. Daniel played with the boys. The boys, they are talking about the other one, so them. Atif wanted to play with his new ball. New ball. Is it a living thing or a non-living thing? Non-living thing. So we are supposed to write it or him. It. Well done. Have you done with me? Well done. Next one is write out these sentences using capital letters for the names. So you all knows that names of the people, pets, places are special. So are the names of months and days. We start them with a capital letter. Like we have learned that in class 1 कि जब भी कोई नेम आएगा स्पेशल लेटर होगा. Like कोई भी नाम, कोई मंथ्स का नेम आएगा, किसी दिन का नाम आएगा या कोई स्पेशल पर्सन होगा. So we will write a capital letter in starting. They have given one example like Miss Parveen Khan. So M capital, P is capital and K is capital. So this is the month name. So December will be capital. Multan is a city name. So Multan, the M of the month, the M of the city will be capital. Multan will be capital. So Saad's birthday is in September. So who will tell me where should I write the capital letter? Explain you here. So exactly, Saad is a name. Saad will be capital and September will be capital. In March, Asif will be 8. Good job. M. And this is name, so A will be capital. My cat is called Flex. My cat is called Felix. So should I write C capital here? No, the cat will be capital, C will be capital and F because this is the name also. The next is I am going to Multan next Saturday. C, months and days. M and S. Have you seen Snowy the dog? This is the name. So Snowy and dog. Is Mr. Harris going to Murray in June? Who will tell? Murray and June. Good job. Don't sweat. आप परेशान नहीं आपने होना कि टीचर ने बहुत काम करवा दिया है. So this will be your book work. So you have to write all these things on the book. Don't write on the notebook. And we have learned all of these. We have learned pronoun. We know about the letters, the capital letters. We can replace the noun and write the pronoun instead of noun. Okay? So the next is identify punctuation. What is punctuation? Who is going to tell me the definition of punctuation? I'm waiting. Exactly. Good job. Punctuation is used to standardized marks in writing to separate sentences and clauses, clarify meanings and indicate pauses. Through punctuation, we can easily identify that यहाँ पे आधा सांस करना है और यहाँ पे stop करना है. And this is the question mark and this is the exclamation mark. Got it? So here you go. The next is identify. And how many? Who is going to tell me how many punctuation marks have you learned and you are using in your class 2 book of English? Or who is going to tell me how many punctuation mark do they know? How many of they used? Exactly. The one is question mark. This is exclamation mark. This is full stop and this is dash. This is comma. Can you see? See, this is a full stop. This is a full stop. So here, my best friend is Nida. The bold is N. तो कैपिटल अगर लगाएं तो वो क्या होता है? Exactly, capital letter. The next is I have a cupcake. What is this? Comma, an egg and a juice. What is this? Comma. Here the punctuation mark is comma. Why are you late again? आज आप क्यों दोबारा लेट हुए हैं? So what is? Why is the questioning? Here we are questioning to the other person कि आप आज क्यों लेट हुए हैं दोबारा. तो this is question mark. Be careful. What is this? Exclamation mark. See class, the next is look at the calendar to help you answer these questions, the following question. The first one is what day of the week is 5th August? 5th August पे कौन सा डे है? Friday. So you have to write Friday here. What day of the week is Independence Day? Independence Day, here you go. On Sunday, you have to write Sunday here. How many Mondays are in August? कितने मंडे आ रहे हैं जी? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 Mondays. What is the date of the Asim's birthday? What is the date? Here you go. 25 of August. Got it everyone? You have to write alphabetically order here. For instance, in alphabetical the A is first letter. So can you see the A word here? Ant. So you will write ant. Alphabetically आपने ये words को arrange करके लिखना है. यहाँ पे missing letters हैं. For instance, this picture is start from S. Good job. M. So you have to write M. So this was your classwork that we have learned. Alhamdulillah. Hope you have enjoyed a lot. So don't sweat. परेशान नहीं होना कि टीचर ने बहुत काम करवा दिया है. सिर्फ इसको ये सारी चीज़ें हम लोगों ने पढ़ी हुई हैं. We have learned pronoun, noun, adjective. We know the 2-letter sound, the single letter sound. We have learned these sounds in prep class, in one class. We know how to write these words in alphabetical order. We know all of these. So I will see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.